So we're going to show you this standard replacement fuel cap we have available. Just in a nice chrome finish, but basically it's just a standard replacement fit up fuel cap for your TGB or similar sort of scooter. Brand new rubber seals here. You see they're suspended on a spring just inside there, which is all sealed. So it comes with the two keys, so ready to fit up and off you go. TGB 101S here to show you fitting this up. So one thing that's really important with these, you'll see there's two tabs that move with the key that control the actual fuel cap being latched on and being unlocked. And then this solid tab here. So if you look at the fuel tank, you'll see just here there's a little press out for the solid tab. So on some scooters, like this particular scooter, that solid tab, when lined up, will line these two arrows up. You'll see there. On some scooters they don't, so it's really important to make sure that you've checked your fuel tank opening to make sure that the press tab lines up with the solid tab correctly. So we'll just sit that one on there. On she goes. And one of the great things about these, a lot of the standard fuel caps don't have this little cap here, which this one does, just to protect it from water getting into the key there, which eventually works its way into the fuel tank, and has classically been a big issue for a lot of scooters with this type of fuel cap. So on she goes, really easy little replacement part, and that's that.